Yo guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing my first ever Fortnite video. I'm super excited. I'm just gonna be going into creative fields, probably getting dogged on. But first, I'm gonna show you guys my warm-up routine and what I do to do me. First, I need to change my skin to this because I live in the US and I use a soccer skin. So I'm really excited to do this. We're gonna go into creative profile because that's what we always have to do to get warmed up. Also, guys, don't ask why you have 0 V-Bucks. I'll buy V-Bucks. But I do giveaways, and the rules on entering the giveaway are in the description. But okay, first of all, first thing that we need to do is we need to put in BH. This is my warming up. This is like warming up my builds, editing, and if I have another person that warms up combat, I don't usually get another person to do warm-ups with me unless if they want to. So, also guys, I'm a really good player for only being on 48 ping. Well, 30 ping, but okay. We're gonna go into roles map. I'm gonna start up. Yeah. Also guys, this is gonna be 2 separate recordings because like, my screen recorder can only record for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do this. Obviously first, actually guys, I have to show you the edits. Come on. You know you love it. I just do warm up on 90s. Sometimes I'll do side jumps. I mean, I'm not the best at those, but we can try again. Hey, hold up. I'm gonna change one thing real fast. I think I'm on 60 frames. I am. Oh, I'm on. Actually, hold up. I can only run 80 frames. Oh, shoot. Okay, I messed up. And after this is over, I'm gonna just show you how I run 360 frames. See, like, I'll mess up. That's why you need to warm up. PC. Okay. Also, I'm gonna show you my strat in a sec. Sorry guys for messing up so much, but okay. So what I do is I obviously edit the wall when I'm on D1A. I do 190, 290s, place a ramp, place a cone, edit it like that, and then since they see I fall down, I grapple up. Okay, this isn't supposed to happen. Editor, cut this out. And then I reset it, like once I grapple up, like that. And then I jump, because they think I fell again. Then I'll edit that ramp. And then if I'm on mega height, which I usually am, or if I don't feel like editing cones, that. Why did my score not pull out? Guys, also don't ignore my binds. I have really bad binds, but sometimes I'll just do this if I need to get height. Because, like, as you can see, like, it's just 90s. And sometimes I'll even do like a little edit course, place a ramp. And then I'll usually go up, do that, edit the ramp, place a wall. Okay, never mind, edit the ramp. Edit. I'll edit down phase 3 like that. edit the wall. Nope. Guys, we don't talk about that. I'm gonna try to get my duo on here, so guys, don't even ask in the comments, okay? If you need carry, go hit up my friend Joji. Cracked at the game. I swear he just sits on it 24/7. Like, this is me when I free build. You see this in the game? And you don't like sweaty people, just run or leave the game. She said call me Rocky, she said she ain't gonna call me that. So yeah guys, that's my warm-ups. I'm gonna end it right here for now. And then I'm gonna get it going again. And then we're gonna hop into a creative fill and watch me get dookied on. Bye for now.